KEC42 broadcasting on 162.400 megahertz near Eugene, Oregon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The current time is 7:23 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Lane County in western Oregon until 9:15 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burned scar will result in debris flows across the Holiday Farm fire near Finn Rock and Elk Creek. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Blue River and Nimrod. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is NOAA